Motorists and other road users subjected to harrowing experience as they wade through the flood. Commenting on the situation, some motorists said the constant flooding on the road each time it rains has brought untold hardship on them. They lamented that the flood has caused unquantified damage to their vehicles as they now visit the mechanic workshop for repairs regularly. They called on Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki to, as a matter of urgency, tackle the flooding menace and put in place proper drainage system to channel the flood.
We should try as much as possible to do this place. Otherwise, rainy season never started. If rainy season don't start, there is no way the motor can pass the place. Maybe state government, maybe they gather, maybe they know how they will do about this place.
This is the first that I can even start to visit people because everywhere is mad. So I have to use force inside this water. Actually, see that now I'm feeling that it has already entered my house.
I feel the pattern every day. Get it, I go move to this land. Nobody go to take 1 week because we not feel the beer. Nobody will feel pattern. I just people to do that.
It's been a nightmare for residents and motorists flying the Ugbowo Lagos Road by Isihor axis opposite the Barracks over the constant flood they experience whenever it rains.
Some shop owners resorted to self-help by erecting barricades in order to prevent the flood from entering their premises, while some motorists resorted to plying one way due to the magnitude of the flood. Adesuwa Lato reporting.